Mr. George, Paa George. Spiritual attacks be serious.
Some spiritual attacks is about to befall on you that will cause you a lot of sicknesses.
Spiritual attacks be spiritual attacks.
Some spiritual attacks is about to befall on your life that will cause you a lot of sicknesses.
Attacks ni free baby Jesus Christ.
So I'm about to pray for you, then I'll block any channel which this spiritual attacks will be coming from. I saw it, I watched it, and also heard it.
Spiritual attacks.
That he is about to be inflicted with spiritual attacks.
Block baby attacks and spiritual attacks in the free by maybe block and taking the money yale and now. Say and who ordain on where to me cover, but attacks in the banner so obey repair.
So I'm about to block where these spiritual attacks will be coming from so that it wouldn't have effect on you. Now he's very strong and healthy, but when this spiritual attacks comes, he may not be able to do anything by himself.
Apart from that, can you be our pay?
Apart from that, say anything that you want so that I will do it for you.
Since from 1963, I'm a bang, but yeah, still I'm a hand dying.
Mintio, what's it?
Since from 1963, I transferred me baha. For brigade, I be Sambri. I'm a Juma baby, but my idea be go so hand dying.
Was it since 1963? Was that a year Juma or acting movie?
Yes, please. He still rents apartments.
Also rented dying.
Yes, please.
According to him, from brigade time since 1963 that he started acting till date, he still rent a house.
Now you're 82.
82. Yes.
He said he's 82 years of age.
Now, baby, I will do you know. A dear be on a whoopah. Because what can say from since 63? Bepem Sambre, who had dying. If Wufi said, Diana, Wunya, when he bedget.
Yes, you said that since 1963 till date, you still rent an apartment. So I want to ask you, what is it again that when you get, you will be happy? You'll be happy.
The person
wow. He said, I want to get my own house that I'll be living in.
Powerful.
He said, I want to get my own house and live in.
Baby, you would read, Mammy Mel. Baby, you would read now what's happening while we fee. Are they?
Some of my any other, my okay. Person at the papa and son, we are saying.
Opesenka wunya na de agya wo ma no no wo yire no san wa free wiase. Okay. Okay.
He said, Angel, I have a wife and I have children, but I don't have any house. So I want to get my own house so that if even I go out of this world when I die, I can leave my wife and my children something behind.
Okay. 82 years. Umaya say,
five no back home.
I have 5 children.
What you say?
Is your wife alive? She said yes.
My boy, I also call a university. It's a child of my children, but you have the school fees.
Neighbor. You
live with your wife? He said yes. I live with my wife.
Okay. Udi mechi edi say oba asole wa ha edi say o start di mechi oba asole wa ha edi say
be say fie nan na say fie miensa
be 3 to 4 years.
4 years
and na e bana de bia oba ha so
For how long have you been following me, coming to my church? And our father said about 3 to 4 years. I want to get my own house so that I will leave it behind when I'm no more for my wife and my kids.
Yeah.
So if I dash you some, will you collect it? He said, hey, I will.
Okay. What's it saying? Blah blah. Fast. What's it saying? You say what?
Me say why you be da? Ubetimi aye.
Say mache obi fie no.
Watch obi fie no. Why me bre? Nti papa nso ye. Ubetimi aye.
You've done some before. You have done some before. So doing it isn't a big deal. We know what you are capable of doing, Papa.
My microphone, I'm no committee.
It do better. Movie.
It do better. Let's see. All discuss a software on the idea. No, become a simple paper. Also, be a team. Obinim media. Oh, can was a Paa George no baku. It's a media. Who was some media? No high anchor.
According to him, the people I'm in the movie industry with, when they want to talk about you, Angelo Obinim, and they remember I am present, they said, hey, when you talk about Angelo Obinim, Paa George will fight you. So when I'm there, nobody can talk about you.
Oh, say,
Debbie, I'm out here, Daman say.
Debbie, another one.
We are the actual.
Obia, one of the actual.
Oh, yeah, one of the actual. Obinim.
Not the actually person Obinim. Nobody can separate us. Wow.
That is why I always have the fabewoso on my wrist, the fabewoso, the bangle. Anytime somebody is saying certain things, then I say, Massa, have you seen the bangle?
Eja TSMB seconds.
Papa, listen to something seconds.
Sika yenya, Kasia yenya, and Tadian Pabua yenya. Say Jesus Christ a banner yem fanko. Yebejana sasiso. Yewusu ebejana sasiso. Yewa kanme ne sama. Why?
Papa, listen to something. Money we have in this world, cars, houses, and clothes we wear in this world. When Jesus Christ comes today, now, never shall we take anything there. So what you've said, I will do it same for you.
If you don't want to be
Mina baby tna the baby anija na aba.
Okay.
The baby I mean say odi sika beka ho.
Is it the house alone that if I do for you, you would love? He said yes, but no matter what happens, I know you add money to me. So I am expecting the.
May promise you.
I am promising you.
I
will dash you a house.
It is not my mind. It is not my heart. It is the will of God. $100 million.
Get 100 million and let me dash him for free.
Me want to radiso. I didn't know the amigo. Me don't want to. Me want to radiso. I didn't know the amigo. so. Wama oh free me so. Wama mania free me so. Eja me da wase. Pisa wama oswa free me so. Wama ginger free me so. Wama mania free me so. Eja me da wase. Oh, me da wase. 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 Oh, me da wase. Sha me tell me what's where I did so. I didn't know the abwamio. Me da wase. Me da wase. Me da wase.
This is 5,000 Ghana, 50 million. And this is 5,000 Ghana, 50 million. So it's 100 million, 10,000 Ghana.
This is 5,000 Ghana and this is also 5,000 Ghana. So making 10,000 Ghana cedis, 100 million. I will dash you a house. I said I would dash you a house.
Minye sika manim bourgeois mechiche mentesa etina meka nyansa kasa bi share ho say wadi machi edi say was it getting to 4 years unime minimum was it debi abanga ne da wonsa obi ka obi ni mo asem a say hey Paa George wa ho wo ka obi ni mo asem a omfa nche ho. Because Paa George Kobi ni masole. Ubo mi ding. Yesu say, you ubo mi ding. E wo bedwam no a won fele no. Me so me fele no wo soro. Jesus Christ said, you power me when you pay me so no. Me so me power no wo soro.
I am saying something. Not that I have money in abundance that I'm sharing to people. No. That is why I asked you a wisdom question and you gave me an answer. For how long have you followed me? And he said 3 to 4 years. As you said that, you always have the bangle on your wrist, and anybody who talks bad about me, you also retaliate the person. I just want to tell you, as Jesus said, anybody who mentions my name in public without frowning, I would also mention his name up in heaven. But anybody who sneaks and hides when mentioning my name, so shall I also sneak and hide from the person.
Scanning. Yeah, Papa, I hear your voice. Cabin at the buy.
I trotro.
Mechoka, Sisia.
Yes, Papa, I can hear your voice. Which car did you come along with? And our grandfather said, I came with a trotro. And then just said, I will dash you a car.
KBC animu kono mo nchira wo kofa car no.
There is a car out there. Go for it.
Yesu mi shoda edidomia. Adaya mada. Adaya mu yetru. Adaya mitasi. Yesu mi shoda edidomia. Adaya mada. Adaya mu yetru. Adaya mitasi. Ucha wahiti ha. Baby asimu. Ewo chimeka. Nebe pa mi bonina. Eti, Ube Wutemekwa. Oh, yes, way. Mitsumiti ya ukawate. Letumi do me wonyina. Ma warate. Letumi hoba ma Jesus. Akwanyina mo. Ayarima woyembo. Mirijanata. Letumi hoba ma Jesus. Akwanyina mo. Ayarima woyembo. Mirijanata. Anotika woyemsa. Sunshine, I saw you by your woody. Yes, so would I want what time we are due. What time is us?
Dear, what Jimmy Diano? A riding cost one mammy to me, and I'm from one. I will Jesus Christ.
Anyone who believes in me, the Lord has given me power to help you, so I will do same for you in Jesus' name.
Why not, Domi?
Who loves me?
Would you match a desay?
For how long have you been following me?
Won't start by man solely a desay.
For how long have you been attending my church?
Wuntina me woho.
It is you that I'm here.
Wunti and me woho.
It's because of you that is why I'm here.
I was a me bua once and Matthias ya bonting.
I have to help you before I can help the outsiders.
I was a me bua once and Matthias ya bonting.
I have to help you, my members, my family members, before I can help the outsiders.
I was a me bua wona wo dem ha Obinim asole no ansa na Matthias ya bonting.
I have to help you, the one in the church, before I can help the outsiders.
Woody Machi Edisay.
For how long have you been following me?
Woody Machi Edisay.
For how long have you been following me? This is just the beginning.
Me shawon so bo.
I am promising you.
I'm promising you. Me shawon so bo.
I'm promising you.
Me shawon so bo.
I am promising you.
Say won so wedi machi a check akra no say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5, 6, 7, 8 years, 9, 10. Wedi machi years no. Me shop was a won so adie bia wo pebia no. Ewurade ma me tumi na me nyama wate. Say ya spiritual adie na wo pe me ya ma wo Yesu di mo. Say ya physical adie na wo pe me ya ma wo Yesu di mo. Bibia wo pebia no Yesu tumi nti. Ewurade ma me ahoden a me ye di ama wo. Say ya sika, say ya ware, say ya wo, say ya yalesa, say ya fie, say ya ka, e ya bisa. Bibia wo pebia no Ewurade ma me tumi a me de be ya ma wate. Na me kasa kura kwesi so say tumi na Ewurade nya dia ma me dada. Eti me shop wo Yesu di mu say mo am ye Obinim fans, mo am ye Obinim followers, mo am ye Obinim ma amwo Ghana ha ablochire baby a Yesu tumi mu, Yesu tumi mu, Yesu tumi mu ya wo pe no ye be ya ma wo Yesu di mu. Shade.
I promise you that as the Lord has given me power, as you have followed me for so many years, for long, you are in my church, you are in my auditorium, you are my child, you are my fan. I promise you, whatever your heart desires are, as the Spirit of the Lord has given me a lot of power, I will do it for you. If it is financial reasons that you are here, I work money for you. If you need marriage, may you receive your marriage. If you need a child, may you receive your child. If you are sick, may you receive your healing. Every heart desire of yours, the power that the Lord has given to me, I work your heart desires for you in Jesus' name. Have they given the car to you?
To where a car Nikino. Maybe on what you man. Say, my child car, Mama 100 million. If you know, may I surely. Your poma and net banada, a chinukiada. Ube who when you saw dear.
I have given you the car and I've given you the money. Today we are having a church. Tomorrow is another day. We shall see.
Stand up and shout for Jesus Christ.